Unbox the future.
Alright guys, welcome to Unbox the Future, and today we are going to unbox the Redmi Note 11. As you can see here, this is the Redmi Note 11 box. Color of this phone is Starburst white, and this comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. And as you can see here, this Redmi Note 11 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor with 6nm chip, and this comes with a 90Hz Full HD display, AMOLED dot display with Corning Gorilla Glass, and this comes with 50 megapixel AI quad camera, the front camera, and you can see here this is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, and this comes with a 33 watt pro fast charging adapter in the box. As you can see here, it's made in India, Starburst white. And now let's open the box. As you can see here, as soon as we open the box, it's written here powered by Redmi. Let's open this. As you can see here, we get a SIM ejector pin, and as well as some booklet, user manual guide. Let's keep this aside. And you can see here we have got a case. We have got a clear case for this phone. Actually, the quality feels pretty good. Okay, let's keep this case aside. This is a transparent TPU case which we get in the box. Now let's see what's inside. We have the device itself. As you can see here, this is the device which we get in the box. Let's keep this aside. Now let's see what else do we get. And as you can see here, yeah, this is pretty huge, and this is the 33 watt power brick which we get with our phone. You can just pause the video and go through this information. See what else we got. And we have got a cable. As you can see here, this is a type A to type C cable. As you can see here, this is type A to type C cable. Let's keep this aside. Let's peel this cover. Here we go. Here we have the device. As you can see here, this is Starburst white color. We can see the glittering twinkles on this phone, and it has a gradient light color to dark color, as you can see here. Actually, the phone feels pretty decent in the hand. It has a good grip to catch, and the phone comes with a screen guard pre-attached to it. And yes, the phone build quality feels nice. We have a front camera in the front, and here we have the 50 megapixel rear camera. And we have the flashlight over here. It's written Redmi. On the left side, we have the SIM ejector tray, and on the right side we have the power button and volume rockers, and at the bottom we get type C charging port, microphone and speaker. On the top, the 3.5mm headphone jack. This is secondary noise cancellation microphone, and this is the IR blaster which we usually see on Xiaomi phones, this one. And let's see the phone by putting on the case. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. This is how the phone looks when we put on this transparent case on it. Well, actually this looks pretty decent even after putting the case on. And here you have some safety clip for this charging port. You can just open it and close when you're done with your charging. This is pretty good. Now let's quickly turn on the phone. As you can see here, I've just turned on the phone. This phone comes with MIUI 13 in box. Let's open the SIM tray to insert our SIM. The SIM tray, we have got option for 2 nano SIMs and 1 SD card, as you can see here. As you can see here closely, we have the earpiece, like a small top notch on the screen. You can see here, right? This is the earpiece above the front camera on the full screen. I have my fingerprint. As you can see here, this power button itself is the fingerprint scanner for this phone. Here we go. We have just came into the phone. Now let's quickly go to the settings. And you can see here 24 GB is occupied out of 64 GB. The camera is pretty decent on this phone for this price range. I'll give you the purchase link for this Redmi Note 11 in the description below if you want to purchase this phone. And now let's check the fingerprint scanner speed. You can see there, right? It's actually pretty good. Yeah. This comes with MIUI 13 in the box. Let's connect this phone to the charger and let's see how it charges. The company Xiaomi claims that this phone charges in 1 hour 10 minutes from 0 to 100. That's pretty good for 5000 mAh battery capacity of this phone. Well, that's it for now, guys. I hope you like and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.